Hi, now that you have onboarded yourself onto the app, it's time to onboard the camera, which basically means connecting the camera to the Be Aware app. As soon as you log in or sign up, you come on this screen that says no cameras connected at the moment, add one to start capturing, and you can click on the AvairSense 1 button. And over here the prompt says press and hold the power button on the side of the camera and wait until you see the red light indicator blinking. So let's do that now. We're going to press and hold the power button that is on the side of the camera. You can see the red light blinking. You're going to click on this checkbox over here and click on connect the Wi-Fi. And on this step, you need to make sure that you are connected to a 2.4 GHz network instead of a 5 GHz network. So I'm going to click on my network and add the password accordingly. Now that you have added the password, you're going to click on the connect button and you're going to see a QR code, something like this, which says keep your screen about 10 to 15 cm in front of the camera to connect. You're going to do that. You're going to hear the prompt something like that, which basically means that the camera is connected, and you can also see the blue light indicating that it's been connected. So we're going to click on I heard the prompt and wait for your Sense 1 to connect to your Be Aware app. Once the Sense 1 is connected to the Be Aware app, you're going to come on this screen that says the confirmation message, and then you're going to continue to add the details, which basically means you're going to name your camera. I'm going to name living room since I'll be keeping this in my living room, and I'm going to select the living room option in the indoors. I'm going to click on next, and then it's going to give me a video that basically shows how I can mount it or I can keep it on the table since this is an indoor option. Then I'm going to click on watch preview, and you can see the live preview from the camera. Cameraman, can you say hi? Right. Now basically this step or basically this process is for you to see where you have placed your camera and the camera angle is proper or not. If you're happy with the camera placement, you can just click on this checkbox over here and you're going to complete the onboarding process.